Hi, what's your name?
Sandy Ray,
Where are you from?
Cypress, Texas.
Okay, cool. And you're here today looking at
The Yazzii
Yazzii bags.
Yes.
What do you have there?
I love this project bag that's here because I do a lot of quilting, a lot of embroidery, and sewing, and the little pockets are great for putting your
Oh, I
scissors
bet.
and things like that. Your hoop fits perfectly down here. A middle-sized hoop fits great here, and then all your thread and your yarns fit right here perfect at the top.
So you keep track of everything, even in these little pockets,
Yes,
right?
you do. You do. It's wonderful.
You know, I really like the Yazzii bags. Just keep everything organized. Everything has a purpose.
Yes.
And you can find everything.
Yes, and it's
So-
great to have everything you need for an entire one project fits right
in
in
one
one
bag.
bag, and you just grab and go. And that's the best part of it. I love it.
Yes.
Love it.
And I like that you can